Hello students, in this lesson we will learn how to make a computer game, simple one under the 5 minutes of work. For this you need this part for the random number, part for a label with a changed text, please guess the correct number, button part with a connection, and one function here, and these three global variables. Also, we will need to learn something new. We will need to add additional variable, and we will add one new node. This will be line edit node, and this will be new node for entering some kind of characters. This node will have a position. Position will be vector 2 position, somewhere in a row of label text. So position like this, and we will need to add it to root node like this, and to see what we get. So you get the field and you can enter something. In our situation we will entering numbers. Okay, this button. And we will learn one other thing. This is a branching. So we'll say if, for example, our random number, or for example, some number, I don't know, maybe number 50, is larger than random number, we will write some kind of text. For example, we can use our label. So label, we can set text in the label. Like this one, something like this. So we can set some text and we can say the number is larger, for example. And let me see what we get. If we press here, we get nothing. Great. So if 50 is higher than our random number, we will get subtext. So label, set text, it's okay, it's okay. Set. What is set? I don't know. Okay. We need to use set text. Set text. So you larger number. Okay. And we can check this. Nothing happened. Again, you enter a larger number. Okay, good. Also, we can get this number. So we will use integer to change to integer this input here. And we will get this text with the getText method. So with the getText, and now we can see if this integer is larger than RND. Also, we can check some other thing. So maybe is you enter a smaller number. And let's see what we get. Now we will enter some kind of number. So you enter a smaller number. Also, we can check if our number is equal to the number, correct number, then we can say congratulations. So guess the correct number. We'll try with 50. You enter a larger number. Okay, let's try with this one. So we enter a larger number. You enter a smaller number. Let's say this. You enter a smaller number. This larger. Okay, larger, still larger. Okay, like this. Congratulations, right number. So we have a game, and this will be our number guessing game with random part, labor part, line edit part, button part, and some kind of function with this if branch. So with this if you can check number strings, etc., and you can use these symbols to get what you want from checking. So guessing the number, and whatever we enter here, we will get some kind of text, and we can continue with the play. You enter a larger number, for example. Thank you very much, very much, for watching this short lecture about making your first game if you are a beginner, and we will continue with this tutorial. Thank you again, and goodbye.